parts of the triangular bandage. So this is the apex, and then these are the sides, the ends, and the base, and the last one is the body. So let's proceed on how we're going to fold the triangular bandage. First is fold the apex down to the base. So this is the draw, the first fold, and then the second fold is the semi-draw, and then the last fold is the narrow crevasse. Tying and releasing the square knot, a square knot.